This is the ScreenBar Plus from BenQ, and if you're someone like me who tends to work and play in a dark room, this could be a game changer for you. Before we get started, quick PSA that if you're purchasing Windows through Microsoft, you're overpaying. Fortunately for you, my friends at urcdkeys.com, who are sponsoring today's video, allow you to activate Windows at a fraction of the cost. And if you use code TATV at checkout, you get an additional 23% off your purchase, making Windows 10 Pro just 15 bucks. You can see here I even purchased a copy for myself, and to activate, just search activation on your Windows, paste in the key, and just like that, you've got a lifetime authentic version of Windows. If you want to grab it yourself, I'll link to the deal in the video description below. I, like many of you, spend a lot of time at my desk. I'm also a PC gamer, which means when it's time to kick back and relax and have some fun, I spend even more time at this desk. And because I'm a night owl, I then continue to work throughout the night on this very desk. That means I spend a lot of time in a dark room staring at a very bright screen. That's where the ScreenBar Plus from BenQ comes in. The idea here is that instead of a big bulky lamp taking up space in your desk, this lamp can attach directly to your monitor, taking up zero space while still lighting up your space. Now, I see two main use cases for this. You could be someone who actually works on their desk and you need some light source to be able to see what you're doing. The other use case is much more applicable to me, and that is being someone who just stares at screens in a dark room all day. Not only does the lamp add a really cool and cozy look to my setup, but it made me realize how uncomfortable a screen is in a dark room. When I would be working with the lamp on, I would occasionally turn it off just to compare, before and after, and boy, does the screen feel brighter. What's so magical about this screen bar is it doesn't add any glare to your monitor, and a big part of that is because the lamp uses an asymmetrical output of light, as you can see illustrated here. And no, even with a 3-monitor setup like I have, where 2 of the outside monitors are kind of angled in, there was still zero glare on those outside monitors. And what makes this lamp so convenient to operate is the stylish dial it comes with. It's got a high quality look and feel to it, and it allows me to just quickly adjust the lamp settings on the fly. And it's so easy to use. You literally just push the button to turn it on and push again to turn it off. And when it is on, you have 2 main controls, brightness and temperature. You simply press the right button to toggle between the 2 settings and then use the dial to increase or decrease that setting. At the very top of the dial is a sensor, and that is used for this left button here, which auto-tunes the lighting based on the light in the room. Now that would be cool if it could just automatically adjust as the room gets darker and brighter, but it doesn't. You have to manually press it every time you want the system to readjust to the lighting in the room. So in my eyes, it's a little bit more of a gimmicky feature more than anything else. I don't ever see myself using this. The button, that is. Everything else is awesome. And from the dial, it splits off into 2 connections. A regular USB for power, which you can just plug into your computer or your monitor if it has a port, and then a USB-C connection, which plugs directly into the screen bar itself. Now, there's one major downfall with a lamp like this, and that is webcam placement. The screen bar is 45 centimeters or nearly 18 inches wide, so it'll take up most of your monitor space unless you have a widescreen, which leaves little to no room for a webcam. And since the screen bar isn't bolted onto the monitor or anything like that, it's not built to hold any weight. And even if you do manage to clip a webcam onto the bar, you will end up blocking some light. So unless you've either got a mount behind your monitor to hold up your webcam, or you've got a second monitor nearby that you can clip the webcam to, this may not be the best purchase for you if you are needing a webcam for your setup. Now, I'm not gonna lie, despite so many people talking about this lamp, I was very skeptical going into this. I've never been a desk lamp person, and I've gotten by through life just fine. Yet, after using this lamp for a little while, I don't think I can go back. Now, the price is where things can get awkward. Right now, the ScreenBar Plus retails for $130 USD. That is definitely on the more expensive side, especially when you consider that there are similar products on Amazon that are selling in the $30 to $60 range. And total transparency, this is the only monitor lamp I've ever tried, so I can't tell you whether you should buy product A or product B, but what I can tell you is that if you do decide to drop $130 in this lamp, you're not going to be disappointed. And I believe you get 50,000 hours out of this bulb, which means if you have it on 5 hours a day, every single day, that will last you 27 years. Even if you turned it on and never, ever turned it off, you would still get almost 6 years of use out of this. You're probably going to have a whole new setup by then. So no need to worry about this thing crapping out after you drop some cash on it. That's my 2 cents on the lamp, but I would love to know what you think, and I'll link to this lamp in the description below for you to check out more of the details. Now, before we wrap up, I have a special announcement. The Tech Audit TV Discord, which I will link to down below and you should absolutely join, is about to hit 1,000 members, and to celebrate, one of our very own Discord moderators, Dr. Zetsy himself, has purchased some Windows 10 Pro keys to give away on the next few videos. So if you want a chance to win a free Windows 10 Pro key, drop a comment down below, say whatever you want, just make sure hashtag ZC is included on it, and in the next video, I will announce the winner. I asked him what we could do to say thanks, and he just pointed me to the American Cancer Society, which is an organization that has obviously had a very positive impact on many of us. So if you're feeling like helping out some people today, I've linked to their website down below, and if donating just isn't something you can do right now, that's perfectly fine. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and this is Tech Audit TV.